guys, welcome back to the channel. We are doing a YouTube hop and giveaway today. One winner is going to win a $25 gift certificate to the Not Too Shabby shop, so stick around. I'm going to make a card with you today using our new stamp and die of the month. I'm also going to pull in the paper pad club of the month. So let me bring the stamp set up closer so you could get a better look. We've got really cute images. The stamp set is called Oh My Stars. We've got some fireworks, we've got cute little critters, we've got sentiments that say celebrate with a bang, happy 4th of July, hooray, oh my stars. So you could see you could use this stamp set for other occasions. If you want to do a celebration card or wishing someone a great job, and oh my stars, that's another great one. For that cute little bear with the sunglasses, we have the die that will cut out the image, but not only the image, but also around the paws. So you could stick little items in its paws, just tuck them right under, like this little ice cream cone. So have fun creating a cute little scene. The die does come on a magnet, and it will cut out all the sentiments. The only thing it doesn't cut out is the fireworks. So let's go ahead and create a card. To hop to the next person in the hop, click the hashtag, or in the description box, I'll have the link to all the creators on the hop. For this month, our paper pads feature patriotic colors in red, white, and blue. We've got really fun designs with a coordinating ephemera pack available for a separate purchase. It features this cute little pug and lots of American flags, florals, stars, and it's a really fun ephemera pack. It coordinates with this paper pad, Patriotic Waves. Then we have Yay for red, white, and blue. We've got a lot of plaids. We've got a lot of really great coordinating background papers. So I'm going to use the paper pad today, but first let's color up this cute little image. So I'm using this silicone mat so my image doesn't move around when I coat it color. I'm just going to add the images here, and that'll just help it stay in place. If you're new to the shop and channel, we have 3 subscriptions. We do our box of the month, our stamp and die of the month, our stamp of the month, and our paper pad club. So I guess I should say 4 subscriptions. The stamp and die of the month comes with a 4x6 stamp set and a coordinating die. The die usually comes on a magnet sheet, and it gets auto shipped to you every 30 days from the date you purchase. You do get an 18% off discount when you join the club. Now, to join the club, you're going to see a drop-down menu that says choose your frequency. You're going to choose monthly, and then you'll see the discount in your shopping cart. Then you'll know you're in the club. You can check in your account. You'll see recurring orders, and you can make changes to your recurring order as long as it's 10 days before your next shipment. Now, if you wanted to do all 3 clubs, you can check out with all 3 clubs in your cart. You can check the listing for more details. Each month we provide a YouTube hop and giveaway, so you'll have lots of inspiration on how to use the items. So I hope you guys enjoy that, and I hope you'll hop to the next person in line and see what they have created. So I am going to finish up the coloring real quick here, and then we're going to put the card together and use those beautiful papers. Okay, so I want to pick out some sheets from the paper pad. And I think I might use that USA one. So let's see, there's that one or this one. I think I'm going to use this one. It goes better with my images. And then I want to use one of the sheets from this paper pad. And I think I want to use one of these picnic looking ones. I think I want to use this one with this. Okay, I'm going to cut out my panels. So I have all my pieces cut out. So let's put this together. I am going to use Celebrate with a Bang because it fits there nicely. I'm going to use Versifying Claire and Nocturne for my sentiment. I'm using Barely Art Precision Craft Glue. I do stock this glue in the shop. It's under its own section under Scrappy Goodness. This glue is my favorite that I've tried so far. Isn't that pug just super cute that's in this collection? I'm going to be doing a bunch of cards using the paper pad and ephemera. So I will be sure to make a video sharing that. Then we're going to add our hill, add our banner, and I'm going to pop this little piece up with foam tape. I want to have this rocket right here next to my sentiment. I'm going to pop that up as well. Now to fix up our cute little guys here, I'm going to add a little foam to the back of the ice cream cone. Okay, so now his arms are like popped up and I think that looks really cute. I'm going to pop up the bear and I'm going to have these guys behind the bear. So we'll lay those two flat and then we'll pop up the bear. Okay, now I have to decide if I want to use the balloon. I might just want to have it behind the image or have it like that, tucked to the side. We'll see. Well, let's pop up the bear and then decide. Maybe I'm going to leave this balloon off of the card. I don't want it to look too busy. I think it looks nice and neat, just like it is now. I'm going to use some of our new sparkle enamel dots, and I'm just going to use 3 of them on the card. Add a little bit of shine. I'm going to get out that Wink of Stella glitter brush. Let's see, I'm going to use the Spectrum Noir glitter brush. And just add a little bit of that glitter to the stars. I'm going to add it to the sign. I think I'm going to add it to his glasses. There, now he's got some sparkly, cool shades. I'm going to add the balloon to the inside of the card, as well as these other cool little treats. So now the inside is cute. So here is the finished card. It turned out super cute. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Hop along to the next person in the hop and see what they created with the Stamp and Die of the month. I'm sure it's going to be super adorable. I can't wait to hop along myself. So all the links are in the description box down below where you can pick up the Stamp and Die of the month, or if you just wanted the stamp, that's also available as well. Remember, when you subscribe, you get 18% off. You'll see the discount in your shopping cart. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye, guys.